Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Fakhrul Alom Sajib. This is Java Tutorial 5 to print Hello Java without using semicolon. This is one of the most common questions in an interview. Before starting, if you are first time watching my video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click on the bell and select all to get all the notifications of my channel. Suppose I want to print hello Java. First SOUT tab hello Java. Suppose I want to print hello Java, but my condition is I do not want to use this semicolon. I want to print hello Java without this semicolon. Every statement in Java must end with a semicolon as per the basics. However, there are a few scenarios when we can write a running program without semicolon. How do I do it? If we use if, suppose giving if copying this one equal null. First check this method println. This void method returns void. I can use another method, that is printf. Printf, click this one, print string. This printf returns print stream, and I'm not using any statement here, uh, equal none, because I'm not giving anything. Let's check whether hello Java will be printed or not. Run this one, check hello Java. Therefore I can print hello Java without semicolon. Now I will show you another way to print hello Java without semicolon. First, copying this one, comment out this one, Control Shift C. It will not print again. You have to use here dot append. If we go to append method, that it is also return print string. Now I will check. See, hello Java using append method. You can also print any string, suppose hello Java or any string without semicolon. You have to use append or printf method. That's all for today. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe my channel if you like this video and if you want to learn more about Java.